Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Ash-Shakoor. This is a very special name that shows us just how kind and generous Allah is to all of us. Are you ready to discover what this wonderful name means? Ash-Shakoor means that Allah is the most appreciative. This means that whenever we do something good, Allah not only notices it but rewards us many times over. Isn't that amazing? Allah is so generous that He never forgets any good deed we do, no matter how tiny it might seem. Even the smallest act of kindness is precious to Allah. You know what's wonderful? Even the smallest good deeds we do are special to Allah. When you share your favorite toys with your friends, Allah sees that and appreciates it. When you help your parents set the table or clean up your room, Allah notices that too. And when you're kind to your brothers and sisters, even with just a smile, Allah loves that. These might seem like small things to us, but to Allah, they're very important. Let me tell you a story about a young child named Ahmed. One day, Ahmed saw his mother struggling with heavy grocery bags. Even though he was small, he rushed to help her carry the lighter bags into the house. This simple act of helping made his mother very happy. But do you know what's even more amazing? Allah, who is Ash-Shakoor, saw this kind act and wrote down many rewards for Ahmed. Just one small helpful action earned him multiple rewards from Allah. Did you know that Allah is so generous that He multiplies our good deeds? When we do just one good thing, Allah doesn't give us just one reward. He might give us 10 rewards, or 700, or even more. That's because Allah is Ash-Shakoor, the most appreciative. He loves to reward us much more than we deserve. Isn't Allah amazing? There are so many ways we can earn Allah's appreciation every day. We can start by saying Bismillah before we eat our food. We can help our mom and dad with chores around the house. Being kind to our brothers and sisters. Sharing our toys with friends. Saying thank you when someone helps us. And making dua for others. These are all beautiful ways to please Allah. And remember, Allah sees and appreciates every single one of these actions. Before we finish, let's remember that Allah, as Ash-Shakoor, loves to reward us and appreciates even our tiniest good deeds. So let's try our best to do more good actions every day. Every small step we take towards doing good makes Allah happy, and He rewards us generously for it. Isn't it wonderful to have such an appreciative and generous Creator?